Hello everybody, Vicky here. Miss Jackie Russell is my channel and my nickname. And today we have Beautylish. That's right, I had mine on back order for some reason. It said one item back order and then it never did ship. So I have no clue what's going to be in this box. It is once a year that they do the Beautylish, and you get a choice of the regular or Jeffree Star for $75, or you can get the extra large box Beautylish or the Wayne Goss, which is $150. Now last year I got Jeffree Star package, and I really did like it all, but I did not like the name of one of those palettes. Well, the palette I got, even though it's a nice palette. So I didn't get Jeffree Star this time. I went with the regular size, the $75 one, and really it's $100. I mean, it was $95.02 with shipping and tax. So, you know, if it's $150, then I basically got $55 more, you know, or a discount, $55. If it's more than $150, then maybe I might, you know, if it's a $200 box, maybe it would be like half off. I'm not sure. But Beautylish puts it together, and we really don't know what we're going to have. I've watched a lot of different boxes, the extra large and the regular, and there are some differences, but there's many that are the same. Now, when we open up the Beautylish box, it looks like this, and they have their artist and paper here on the inside. As you can see, we got the 8-ball and a kitty and some bunny hearts and different kinds of things there in red. And then on top there we have our Lucky Bag 2026. And this is for 2026. We gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are always on their way. And this is Lucky Bag. And we'll find out if I got lucky or not. But they do have some cute packaging. And once you get this out, which is the artist paper, and you know, this is made where if you wanted to, you could actually wrap a gift in this. So this is like wrapping paper quality. And so I'll be saving that for wrapping, because the kids would love that. And it's got a makeup palette, beauty products all over it, 4-leaf clover for the lucky box, and there's 2 sheets in there, so that's very nice. After that, they have their black paper over my package of goodies, and it's all in this bag. And I've been noticing everyone just reaching in and pulling out, and I don't have any idea on value of each item. So what I'm going to do is what everybody else does. No big surprise here, but I do want to say welcome to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and hit the like button. That'd be great. Maybe share me out. I will say also, if you are watching this, my Freaky Friday's out. And in my Freaky Friday report, I not only talked about some food recalls, but I also talked about growing up in the Bobbitt house, which was a famous bed and breakfast, had been a hotel. You'd have to hear the story, but it's a little bit haunted. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. I'll try to remember to put a link in this video so you can go click over to it. Okay, I'm pulling it out. Now, I've seen everybody, or not everybody, but I've seen a lot get the Verb. This is the Visibly Thicken Reduce Signs of Shedding Density Peptide Hair Serum for thinning hair. Well, I don't know that my hair's thinning just yet, but, you know, I am 65, so it could start. I mean, and maybe it could be a little thicker, so maybe I should try this out. But I do think that they try to send you things that are really like, I guess, some of the latest things that's out in the market and what have you. And I only buy from Beautylish usually this time of year for this one box. Now, other people like Carol Gardner and some others might buy on a regular basis. I know Mary got this box. Mary Catherine Loves Cats and Carol got this box. And this is what it looks like. And it's in like a little pump dispenser where you pump this. And then your serum comes out like this. And it smells good. And I'm thinking you can just put that in your hair. Of course, I don't know if I should put it in there right now, but I just might put a little bit in there since I've got some on my hands. And maybe up by my roots. Maybe I can get some thickness in the front. Who knows? I don't know. But anyway, that's a nice product for the first one. Let's reach in and see what else we get. Ooh, looks like I got a Maria Catala brush. And I have been seeing that. And you could get a Sonia brush or a Rain Goss. But it looks like I got this one. And it looks to be like a blender brush, which is good. I like those. It's very nice. It's kind of got a pointed edge there. And the brush is really nice. And I could see that that could be a blend or a pat down, like if you want to get into a specific corner or part of your eye. So that'll be a nice brush to have. Very nice. I'm happy with that. And again, I don't know the value. I think I seen it from somebody else. It was like around $30, but I'm not sure. I'll have to let y'all know. I got my hair kind of a little messed up by putting that in, that product in there. Oh well. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out of here, and I'm thinking this is looking like a lot of the boxes that I have seen. It's packed in here pretty good. Okay, I got one of these M products. And it is a Manas, maybe, Beauty Evolution All Over Color Creamy Finish. So I'm going to say, I don't know what color it's in. We're just going to have to find out. I know a lot of people were excited about this. I've not really heard of it. And I'm not one too much for a one dish eyeshadow. But look at that. Is that eyeshadow? Or is that lip? It's Ever Creamy Finish is all it says. It's an organic formula. And it says it's all over color for what? Pure ingredients, saturated. Let's see what the other side of this says. Well, I'm not sure what it is. All over color, creamy finish. Oh. Well, I definitely stuck my finger in it. So now I'll be keeping that regardless. I don't know what it is, though. See that? It made quite the stain. So I don't know about that, guys. And you did see I accidentally put my finger in it. So that might be a bust for me because I doubt if I use that. It says it's organic. I'll have to look into it. Okay. The next item I'm seeing in here is this bag is packed hot. I got the Energizing Eye Kit. That's cool. Now, I like that. This is Good Molecules. So, they always have this, and I think Good Molecules is their brand. And that's why we usually see it in our boxes. I have Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. And then I have Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Good Molecules. Okay, so that's probably got a little caffeine or something in it to help wake up the eyes. So I'm happy with that. That's a good choice for Good Molecules. And I'm thinking that's like a $24 value. I've got another little small box. Let's hope I don't tear into it and mess it up. I don't know what that other one is. Is it a blush? Look at that. I'm telling you, and that was a little bit on my finger. It's probably already dry now. This here is Auric, Auric. I'm not sure what that is either. Never heard of this. Entice. Is that what that was saying? Nope. That's not what it was saying. Smoke Reflect Cream Powder Eyeshadow. And so this is an eyeshadow for sure. Maybe it's powder to cream. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought it was black. I think that's the top. Okay, that's the color I got. I think that's like a green. Yeah, I think it is. My eyes are really dark right now. Now they're going to be a little darker. But yeah, that's what I think it is. And then it dries to like a powder. So I don't know, man. I got almost look like I got black eyes. We don't have any sun today because that storm's hitting. And right now it's just raining, but pretty soon it's going to change to freezing rain for over 30 hours. So y'all pray for us. We may be out of power for days. I don't know. I'm praying not. I don't want that to happen. But I don't know. I surely don't know. Hey guys, I'm dropping this in because when I looked at this, on this side it has like a highlighter. So you've got like a highlighter color on that side. And we'll just take a little tap of that. And I didn't notice that a while ago. And you know, maybe that could drown out some of this green that I got on top here. Well, it did on that side. Well, it got hot. I don't know. What am I doing? I look like a clown. It just hardly looks like it put any on this other side. That is just crazy. And then on this other side, it's just dropped a ton on there. And I'm getting my brush all dirty. Oh my gosh. I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all that. So it had a highlighter on one side, and then it had that green color that, you know, right now it looks black, but then you got this green color on the other side. And anyway, those are two products. These two creamy products, I'm not too hip about that, but it may be the latest thing. And then in this big old box, what did I get? I got a Suzanne Kaufman bestseller discovery kit. So I got body butter, I got enzyme exfoliator, and the hyaluron serum. So I guess that's like hyaluronic acid. Did anybody else get this? I don't know if I've seen this. Suzanne Kaufman. Maybe this was my back order item. I definitely don't know about that dark green. Oh, maybe if I get my eyes away. It's dark, and then it's dark in here because it's raining. You probably hear it hitting the window pane. But this here is the Suzanne Kaufman Enzyme Exfoliator. I might actually try that. I do and have used like mango because mango has enzymes in it, and it exfoliates your face naturally if you cut up a mango and save the juice and put it on your face and or wherever, your body, your hands. And you can make a little scrub out of it with a little sugar, and I've done that. And I've also used the enzyme peel with Elemis, which is really good. It's really bugging me, that dark green up here. I guess I just made a mess out of my eyes. Good thing I'm not really going anywhere anytime soon. I look like I have black eyes. And here's the body butter. And it's sealed. Oh, but it's like with a foil top. Oh, that smells good. I'm going to just get like a pinch out of there. See? Smells good. Kind of smells like cucumbery. It's got a nice scent to it. That's a small little deal of body butter. I guess that's a one-time use. Another language. I don't know what all that is. Okay. Suzanne Kaufman. We have a city next to us called Kaufman, Texas. And then here's her hyaluron serum. And I think I'll leave that sealed for now. But yeah, very interesting. The bestseller Discovery Collection. So let me know, have you heard of this? Suzanne Kaufman. It gives you lots of detail on there, but it's all small writing. It's 100% agreed skin felt softener. It's 93% agreed skin felt smoother. 100% agreed skin looks plump, felt smoother. So I guess they're just saying the percentage of what their skin felt like. So yeah, that's interesting. But again, I don't know how much it is. And it's nice to get a little kit. And then the last thing I got in here, looks like I got the Viseart palette. And I've not ever had a Viseart. So let's see what it looks like. Probably looks like the ones y'all been seeing. And here it is. It's a real pretty palette. Those are colors that I can definitely work with. And this is small enough to travel with. And it's very nice. One of those things was like 32, so that's close to 100 right there. So I probably did get my money's worth, I think. Even if I don't like some of it, like, I'm not, look at that, I even got the red on here. That is just really rich. Oh my gosh. See that little tab there? I thought that was a tab. That was on there. I didn't put that on there. So I thought I was going to be pulling up like a tab like on that other one. But I wasn't pulling up nothing. I was just getting into the color itself. So if I put that in a giveaway, y'all would have to know that I touched it. And you may not want it. And I don't know anybody. I don't know anybody that would really like that. Maybe that's why it's in this box. They're just trying to dump it. Maybe I'm being too critical. I don't know. But anyway, that's my lucky box. I got the Viseart palette. I got this M. Manist color, whatever. I guess looks like rouge is what it reminds me of from my grandmother. That has to be like, you're almost getting over 100 years old there. We got the Smoke Reflect and Entice, and mine was in a greeny color. And then we got the Suzanne Kaufman kit, Bestseller Discovery, which that sounds interesting. I'll probably try that out. And I got this brush by Maria Catala. So that's nice. And then I got this Molecules kit, and I got the Verb hair. So overall, this is a good box. And I really do feel I got my money's worth. I'll put my total here somewhere along there so you can see. And you let me know, did you get the same items? Did anybody else get this Suzanne Kaufman kit? Which is very interesting. And it looks like it might be all natural. So we shall see. We shall see. But okay, guys, that's all I have for my Beautylish this year. And I really do like the palette, so I'll get some good use out of that. And then I have my little brush I can try out with it. And that's it. Be sure and check my description for that Freaky Friday tell of the story of my childhood growing up in the Bobbitt house. And be sure and comment down below what was your favorite in my Beautylish. And did you see other Beautylish boxes that had these same items? I did get one thing that was totally different, I think, and that was that Susanna kit. But anyways, that's all I have today. I appreciate you being with me. It'll be another year before we get the next Beautylish Lucky Bag. Was I lucky or not? Let me know. Lucky? Yes? No? And we'll go from there. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.